Hey guys, it's your boy Active Lex, and I'm back with another. All right, leg extensions. This is the best way to put blood in the muscle of your quads, right? I use this at the end of my workout. So basically, you want to align your legs properly on the pad, right? And you're squeezing your quads as hard as you can. So you're just pulling with your quads. You're not using your knees. Try to avoid using your knees to pull that weight up. You're using your quads. I'm at like the end of my workout, and this is how I like to finish it off with those pulse reps, squeezing the quads, right? Getting all the blood in the muscle. All right, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with another banger.